Hi everyone, and welcome to a quick introduction of Konba. If you're wondering what Konba is, it's a classroom tailored for language learning. If you're a teacher, you can use it for your language lessons. And if you're a student, well, you can also use it for your language lessons, but also for language exchange or for joint study sessions and more. Okay. First off, Konba is a browser-based application, so you don't need to install anything. I do recommend, though, that you use an updated browser, like Chrome or Brave. And also a laptop or computer. Okay. There are three main parts of a Konba room. First, we have the whiteboard, which is page-based, and as this is a new room, there's only one page in there, and it's blank. We also have a chat with many exciting features I'll show you in a second, and also an integrated audio and video chat, and I'll get to this one later. So you're probably very used to screen sharing when you're presenting something. And well, we do have screen sharing, but I want to show you something better. If you have a PDF, you can just drag and drop a PDF right in the room. But it's difficult to show in video, so I'll show you an alternative way. There's an image icon on the left side of the chat input. If you click this and then click Choose File, you can choose a PDF. In my case, it's a Japanese newspaper. So I click Open and Upload. We currently don't have a visual feedback while it's uploading, but if the file isn't too big, it should only take a few seconds. Okay, so how is it different from screen sharing? So first, you notice that now we have 13 pages in our whiteboard. And that's because the PDF is 12 pages long. I can scroll down. I can change the active page. I can also click on the timeline to get an overview of all the pages in the room and click to change it. This will change for everybody in the room. And also everybody in the room can change the page themselves. So not just you. What can you do with the PDF? Well, you can draw on it. I mean, everybody can. Everybody can draw on it. And you can also write something. Hello. You can move the text around as well if you want. You can also highlight text. All right, there's more that you can do, but I now want to move over to the chat. Let me write a Japanese message real quick, because I'm learning Japanese right now. So, Tokyo kara ohayou gozaimasu. If you right-click on a chat message, and you can do this, if you use a touchpad, you can do this with clicking with two fingers on the bottom right corner of the touchpad. You see a little menu pop up. There are a few options here, but first I want to focus on the translate function. So if I click this, it will auto-translate. In my case, into German. Well, because I am German. But I can also translate it into English if I want. Right, good morning from Tokyo. For Japanese messages, we have a special function that you can add furigana to it. Furigana help you to learn how to pronounce the kanji. And if you're still learning the hiragana, you can change the furigana to romaji in the settings in the top right here. Another thing you can do is you can drag and drop the chat messages right into the canvas. This also works for the translations, by the way. All right. So next, I want to show you the video chat. So you see this video icon here. If you click this, you can join the audio and video chat. In my case, I leave the webcam off because, well, you already see me. So I'll just check that my voice settings are fine, and I'll join. So now you see my video in the top right, and you see still the PDF in the focus. You can change the focus if you use this toggle here. And this will change the focus to the webcam. This will change for everybody. So this will really, if you want to focus on conversations, then you can have the webcam. And if you click this toggle here, it will go back to the PDF. Everybody can change it, and it's synced between users. All right. You can, at the end of your conversation, your lesson, what do? Well, you close the video, and then you can simply close the tab. And everything that you have been doing in this room, if you revisit this room, like 1 week from now, it will still be there. So you can left off directly where you stop. Another thing you can do is, if you have an account, here you can go to your homepage, which will bring you back to an overview of all the rooms that you have either created or visited. But you need to make an account for this. I want to make Konba the best classroom for language learning. And if you want to support me, let's build it together. We have just started a school community, and if you join, you get full access to Konba, you can give feedback, you can suggest and vote for new features, and you connect and chat with other motivated language teachers or students like you. I hope to see you there. Let's change the way we learn languages together. Bye bye.